All right, let's try this one now. I'm going to touch base with this hell realm loop again and explain it in a new way because I got a new download on how to explain this. So, you ever feel like you're running on a treadmill in a basement? Plenty of sweat, plenty of effort, but the scenery never changes? Welcome to the loop. Most people think they're unlucky or the universe is out to get them. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. Your meat suit tells you, so you don't have to do the fucking work. Your meat suit likes being comfortable. So, this reality we're in, it's a mirror. If you're seeing the same chaos, same toxic partners, the same financial sinkholes, it's because you're projecting the same frequency. The hell realm isn't somewhere you go when you die. It's the cycle you're living in right now. It's designed to be a closed loop. It feeds on your avoidance. Every time you ignore a red flag, every time you swallow your truth, every time you choose comfort over scary shadow work, you just signed another lease for another fucking round. You're basically telling the system, hey, I didn't learn it yet. Send the same lesson back. Maybe give it a different haircut this time. That's why you meet the same devil in every new level. It's the part of you that refused to fucking heal. We've been programmed to fear the dark, to run from the mess, to numb it out, to keep our meat suits looking pretty on the outside while the engine inside is fucking rotting. But let me give you the Jersey truth. You can't vibe your way out of a loop. You haven't understood. The exit door isn't love and light. The exit door is integration. It's looking at the repetitive nightmare and saying, I see what you're doing. I see the part of me that's calling this in. And I'm done feeding the fucking machine. Once you stop reacting to the frequency of the trap disappears. You don't beat the system by fighting it. You beat the system by outgrowing it and exiting it. So, are you ready to stop the replay button, or do you need another fucking lap around that fucking basement? 222 on that timer. Let's change your scenery a little bit. Raise your fucking frequency. Do your inner fucking shadow work and ascend the fuck out of this hell. A little tough love doesn't hurt anybody, you know? God rolled me to be blunt. I don't sugarcoat shit. And I've been through hell and back a few motherfucking times and resurrected myself. So, with that being said, if you made it this far, show your girl some love. Where's this fucking reaching? We already know I'm in fucking Jersey. Hopefully not for long, because I feel the exit door coming. And I'm ready to fucking 303, what's up, Dad? Confirmation, it's time to peace out this place.